searching for love ashore. Hearts are now anchored, we're searching no more. Braving our way through the darkest of night, dressed in the skin of your luminescent light.